West Wycombe and the Hellfire Caves. Alright, to the left. We're gonna go to the caves, Theo. Yeah? Alright, cool. We found a big rock on our path, and there's your Batman sword. Grab your Batman sword and let's go. Because we have to make our way all the way up there to the Hellfire Caves.
Yeah.
Okay, look where we are, Theo. It says caves that way. Let's go. Listen, can you hear the grasshoppers? I can hear them.
Me too.
Look at the bird in the sky. It's gliding around. That's a red kite. Again.
I have the power!
Whoa. Yes, you do. That's cool, Theo. You made it to the top. Let's go and check it out.
I have the power.
Wow. There's one special grave in there.
Look at this.
On top of this big hill. It's really cool, isn't it, Theo?
Yeah.
Come on, let's have a walk around. Theo, what did we find? Theo, what did we find? We found a lovely church, didn't we? Lovely church. Yeah, that's where you can put your knees on and you can have a pray. Like that. Come on, let's go outside. Look at the ceiling, Theo. Oh, it's beautiful. Beautiful, isn't it? You're looking at the ceiling. Let's have a look. Beautiful building. Whoa. Have you got the power? Whoa. Oh, these are some steep steps. And there's sunshine up there. How is it, Bubby? What did you say? Thank you, Bubba.